Hello and welcome to this RST product guide on the Rallye Textile jacket and jean. Now this outfit is our entry-level jacket and jeans for the touring and adventure markets. It's packed full of features often saved for outfits twice the price. It's made from a mix of Max-Tex and ballistic materials, ensuring those impact points on the jacket are reinforced. We use heavy-duty twisted and bonded nylon to stitch the garment for great burst resistance along those seams. We also use 4-way stretch material in the crotch area to increase those ergonomics whilst on the bike. There's CE certified armour in the shoulders, elbows and knees, as well as a level 1 back protector. All in all, this equates to a CE certified outfit for 2018. The jacket has vents on the chest and back with additional perforation to allow generous airflow through that jacket during warm conditions. There's also a removable quilted thermal liner to help keep you warm during cold conditions. The same can also be found on the jeans too. There's laminated reflective panelling applied in a subtle way throughout the garment to help you be seen by other road users in low light conditions. Adjustment in the arms, the cuffs and waistband on both the jacket and the jean offer a custom fit once the removable thermal lining has been removed. This outfit also has a waterproof and breathable membrane, so no matter what conditions you're riding in, you're going to be warm and dry. There's stretch panelling just above the knee to allow that knee joint to move freely whilst you're on the bike, increasing those ergonomics, making this an outstandingly comfortable outfit. Now there's more pockets on this outfit than you're going to know what to do with. Internal pockets on the jacket, external pockets on the jacket, there's cargo style pockets on the jeans, as well as a huge map pocket on the rear. The Rallye is an outfit that can do it all, commuting, touring or adventuring. Now to see the full colour range and for more information, head to the website rst-moto.com.